Hi everyone, it's time for Thursday's Drop and Craft, and this week we are going to be making a turkey for Thanksgiving. So the first thing you need is a piece of brown paper for his body, a piece of orange little paper for his nose. If you want to put a goiter on him, because they have little goiters, turkeys, then you have that with a little red, some feathers for his body and eyes, some glue, a scissor, and tape, which is going to make it a little easier. I took a paper plate and I put it on my brown paper and I traced my plate around it. You could use any size you want, any size paper plate. Take it off. I'm going to take my scissor and now I'm going to cut out my circle that I made. Now you can make 2 turkeys out of this one piece of the circle. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's my brown paper. I'm going to cut my circle in half. So I have 2 semicircles, just like that. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll one of the halves into a cone, like that. Doesn't matter if there's space on the top. Now I'm going to take my Scotch tape, I'm just going to tape the back. Probably stay better than if you use glue. Then where you go, you got your body of your turkey. So this is how I'm going to cut out the nose. I'm going to take my orange piece of paper, I'm going to fold it in half, then I'm going to make a triangle using both sides of that paper, so it's like you could open and close it. Then I'm going to take my red and make that little thing that hangs outside the turkey. You can make it any shape you want. You don't have to have it if you don't want to have it, but I'm going to have one. I am going to first put on my eyes, which I'm going to put. I'm going to make like little crazy eyes for my turkey. There's my eyes. Then I'm going to put glue on one side of my nose. Not this nose, but the nose on my paper. Put glue on that. Then I'm going to stick it on my turkey like that, so it opens and closes. Then I'm going to take my little red thingy that goes under his neck, put some glue on it, and just attach it to my little turkey like that. Now we need the feathers. So I'm going to take my glue and just put it all over the back of my turkey, the back of the face. Then I'm going to take my feathers. I'm just going to stick them on. Any colors you want. These are the colors that I pulled from my drawer. And there you have a little turkey. Don't forget, you can make one out of the other half, so you could have 2 turkeys and you could put them on your Thanksgiving table or wherever you want. We will see you next week. Bye.